So like you'd have to like join a queue and then whoever loses gets replaced with whoever's next. Oh, you know, it'd be really cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ew. What the fuck was that? Ew. What the fuck was that, dude? Ew. Oh God. Ooh, chat, smell it though. Oh, you know, it'd be really cute. Oh my God. Ew. Oh my God. Ew. 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 Do it again. Oh, you know, it'd be really cute. Oh.
No.
Oh my God. Oh, one more. It's that first one. That's so gross. Oh, you know, it'd be really cute. Oh. You can hear the bubble with that, dude. Ew. Love your Enderman impression. Shut the fuck up, dude. Oh, it's so gross, dude. I hate it here, Saji. No. No. Oh my God. You know, it'd be really cute. Fucking vomits.
That was a 0 out of 10 burp. Never do that fucking shit ever again.
Maybe I will.
You nasty bitch! I have a newborn child in my arms less gross than you!